Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some mail that I received, some more happy mail, and just bear with me because they have the addresses. I don't want anyone to see them, but I just opened this up here, so let's see together what's inside. Oh, it's a fall card, fall into autumn. How beautiful, and it's layered up. This little scarecrow is cute. Some leaves, some layered pattern paper, beautiful. And this is from Life with Patty. Thank you, Patty. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for sharing. And then this other one I received. Look at how cute. It's all decorated up. This was from Kim. Over at Kim's Inspired Life. Says you are so tweets. How cute is this? There's a pocket on this side and a pocket on this side. It does says a paper hug from me. Cute. And then let's get into this. Oh, she just shared a whole bunch of like die cuts and sentiments. Oh, I love it. I can use some of these. Thanks. Oh, I like these envelopes. How cool is this? Nice. Aw. And there's another one. Those are great. Those are cool. Oh, and then another one. Nice. Oh, and then she shared some enamel, not enamel dots, but some, what are these, like faceted flatbacks. Thank you so much, Kim. And then in the other pocket, a bunch of die cuts. How beautiful. The florals. Oh, girly time. It's nice fall grateful heart. Ah, with the Mickey ears. Love it. Oh, here's my card. I love all these papers. Oh, this is a nice card. Okay. Grateful heart. Oh, thank you so much for your friendship. So that's my happy mail today. Thank you both, Kim and Patty. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. Till my next video, shakas.